So now I've got your attention, I'll answer the question that a lot of people ask. Does penis enlargement really work? The short answer, yes it does. I've personally gone from 6 inches in both erect length and girth to 7.5 inches in length and 6.5 inches in girth. According to the world's largest study on what women want, that puts me right in the ideal size range. I'm not going to lie, it's been a huge confidence boost, but don't just take my word for it. Check out my time-stamped video log of my entire progress, proving beyond doubt that penis enlargement works. Over the years, I've refined a routine that covers all bases, ensuring all elements work in synergy so no gains are left on the table. Get it right first time with my in-depth, easy to follow step-by-step videos, complete with equipment lists, product links and prices for everything you'll need before starting. As an electrical engineer by trade, I've had to dive into mechanical engineering to design my own hanger and all-day stretcher. The reason? Existing products on the market just didn't cut it when it came to comfort and build quality. These custom devices have been key to my success. Take advantage of the information, skills and practices that I have learnt over the years and make your precious time count. In addition, the site also provides solutions to other issues including injuries and erectile dysfunction. If you've struggled with discoloration from overpumping with a penis pump, no worries, I've got a simple solution to reverse it. The tutorial is waiting for you in the members area with real before and after pics and products in my store. And for anyone dealing with erectile dysfunction, or if you just want to experience next level erection quality, I've also got a tutorial of me reconstituting and administering alprostadil, a drug that outperforms anything else on the market, plus there's an off-label product in my store which I highly recommend. If you're ready to get serious about seeing results, Jelqing is where you'll find everything you need. No hype, just solid advice and proven techniques. You've been watching Daniel Gray at jelqing.com. Thanks for watching.